back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup on my face. And after watching this video, if you love it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. And comment, like and share. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys so much, and let's get into the video. So I've done the rest of my face off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So this is the palette I'm going to be using today. This JUVIA'S Masquerade palette. I'm going to be using this today to create my eyeshadow. But right now I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to be using Elegant concealer. I'm going to put it on my brush, then I'm going to apply it on my eyelid to brighten it out before I apply my eyeshadow. So for my transition shade, I'm going to use this purple shade right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade on my eyelid. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to use this sharp, tiny makeup brush. So guys, this is the end of this video, and please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share, like, comment, and thank you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.